But what we find is that we tend to sit, or we and Nlyte tend to sit in between IT and facilities, and that is sometimes not.
Can be a tricky place to be.
It can, yeah. So you're sometimes not speaking the same language to one another, right? And so what we find is to just continue to ask questions and to focus on what the mission or the goal is for optimizing the data center. And so one of the examples that comes to mind is that we were looking to instrument to get some real-time data from specifically from some of the infrastructure in the building, right? But the customer did not own the building, and so they couldn't get the metrics that they needed to measure, right? And so they were thinking about investing money to kind of get the sensors where they needed to be able to get this data. And it just came down to, well, let's just ask if we can get a data feed from the building, right? It was just that one question they said, yeah, absolutely. You can't, from a security standpoint, you can't tie into us, but we can give you the data, right? So it was just that one question that then allowed us to move forward, allowed us to get a rich data set where then people could start to say, oh, this is what we're actually using from a building power perspective.
Sure,
right?
sometimes